What's up, Dylan?
Yay!
Yummo!
Yummo!
So here we go. 2 more recipes from the True Roots cookbook. And today I'm gonna be making the seared scallops with cherry tomatoes and fennel. Look how amazing. I'm gonna try to make it look just like the picture. Wish me luck. And the pea puree. I've never made anything like pea puree before, and I'm looking forward to seeing if my boys enjoy it. I always tell them that everything that's green is delicious, not just because it's my favorite color, but because it's true. So here we go, I'm getting started. I got all my ingredients going, and Dylan is taking a nap, so I'm gonna prepare half of the meal now, and then the other half later when it's closer to dinner time. So I'm getting a little bit of a head start today. Thank you for the Lord of the naps. So here are my ingredients for the sea scallops and the pea puree. As you can see, there's not that many ingredients in both dishes. So it's simple, and I'll get dinner on the table in no time. And that's what I look for when I'm looking for new recipes, that they're simple, not too fussy, and this is what we have here. I'm so excited for this because the pea puree has goat cheese, and I love some goat cheese. I hope that my boys are gonna like this as well. I've never given them goat cheese before. This will be the very, very first time. This is the fennel bulb all cut up. I'm getting ready to put it in the roasting pan. I haven't cooked much with fennel before. This is probably about my 4th time, but it's a really interesting vegetable and interesting flavor for food, and I love it with anything that's fish, so I'm assuming that's why it goes great with the sea scallops. Here are the peas, and they're all drained, and all that's left is to pour all the mixture in and puree it. And here is the fennel and roasted tomatoes, and that's gonna be in there for a few more minutes. 80% of this dinner is complete. All that's left is to puree the peas and to make the sea scallops, and they don't take a lot of time to cook, so it'll be pretty quick and I'll have dinner on the table in no time. But now I have to run to pick up my boys from school, so I'm gonna put a pin on this and get them at school and then finish it off when we come back. And it's so super simple and easy. I win today because dinner's on the table early, and I'm hoping that they like it because they're little boys and sometimes things freak them out, especially green stuff. But wish me luck, people. Now, all the ingredients are in here: the goat cheese, basil, and the peas, and some of that chicken stock that was with the peas, and I'm just making the puree. And it's so simple and easy. So dinner is complete, and we're getting ready to sit down. It was a super simple recipe, and it actually looks and smells delicious. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. The recipe is complete. We got the scallops with the fennel and the tomatoes and the pea puree, and I'm ready to eat. And it was a quick meal. It didn't take very long, so it's perfect. Okay, Logan, what do you think of the pea puree? He actually does really love it. Dylan is making a little bit of a mess eating it, and he also has rice. Daddy, what do you think? And Blakey, do you like it? The green stuff?
Mm-hmm.
He actually does like it, and this is the one that gives me a hard time with green food. So, success. Yummo.
Yummo.
Yummo. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.